Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Ford Mondeo Titanium X. So this is our 62 plate Ford Mondeo Titanium X. It's done just over 65,000 miles from new, has had 3 former keepers, has got 8 service stamps in the book, and whilst in our care, we've given it a service, replaced the cambelt water pump, replaced the 2 rear tyres, had all 4 alloys professionally refurbished, along with giving it a fresh MOT and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. All in all, the car's in really good condition for the age and mileage. It's quite low mileage for this age anyway. It's also very well equipped. Inside, you've got the Titanium X suede and leather seats, power fold mirrors, air conditioning, cruise control, you've got lane assist, blind spot assist, DAB radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity. It's very well equipped in here. You've also got a reversing camera. It's all in really good condition inside. Very nice, comfortable motor. It's the 1.6 diesel, which is only £30 a year to tax. It's also got a 6-speed manual gearbox. Huge boot, very practical cars, these Mondeos. Overall, a really nice motor. Refurbished alloys, new tyres on the rear. We did the rear bushes on this as well. Very nice motor. Very well equipped, great condition, low mileage, with very good history. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.